So an interesting question my young children asked me once was, what are hiccups? What causes them? Why do we get them? I had to look it up. I had no idea. It's really interesting. It's to do with your diaphragm and when it gets irritated, and it can be irritated by a number of things. You might know some of the symptoms if you've just eaten too much food or if you're a bit stressed. It can cause that irritation. And specifically, it's an irritation between the brain and the diaphragm, which creates the irritation and can be settled by a number of different tricks. One of the tricks I like best is if you offer someone 10p for every time they hiccup. It seems to miraculously make them disappear. Anyway, if you've got any interesting childish questions that you'd like answers to, let us know in the comments.